Okay, so I wanted to film this video a little bit differently than the last one. I've kind of got in the way a few times, and so I'm going to just go over some of the features a little bit more of this typewriter, and then just do a few more lines, just so you guys can see it, see it working. I'll start over with well, I guess I'll use the same sheet here. So as I was saying in the last video, the return still works fine. Just have to push on this little metal portion down in here. So see, and that's one of the things with these typewriters that I saw, or I watched a video, and the person was talking about how the carriage moves on these electric typewriters. It's not the manual carriage, so you have to kind of make room for this carriage. And then, just before I start, some of the other features. This is your line spacing right here. This little bar. For those who don't know, this is it goes from 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, and then 3. That's your line spacing. And then this. I don't know if you can see over here, but this is the. Here, I'll move the carriage. This is the lever that allows you to advance the paper without using the little knob here. It just kind of moves on its own when you push this lever back. This does the same thing, actually. This is the one that allows you to move the paper freely. This one, I think, this releases the little bar down here. There's a little black bar, and it allows you to kind of just more adjustments for your page is basically all those do. And then so now I'm at the end of the line right here, and so there's a little button right here, M-R, and this allows you to release the margin. So I'm pushing it down, and then I press whatever key I want, and then it allows you to type. Okay, so like I said before, I don't want to use up all this ribbon that I have. But that's just another demonstration of the typewriter working. And then you have here, hopefully this shows up, you have two little, so this is your paper. I wasn't using it, but this is the paper paper holder. Then this is your other, this is the paper rest back here. These little, I kind of wish these would go up higher, because it doesn't always do a good job of holding. It kind of lets the page curl. And I went over all this in the last video, all the correction system and everything. I would like to clean this a little bit more. It has some eraser dust. I believe that's what it is, or just, it looks like it may have been stored in maybe a workshop or something like that. I don't know, but there's some strange little crumbs in there but I don't want to be too rough. If you guys have any recommendations for how to clean out the little crevices inside of this typewriter, just leave a comment in the description below, or in the video below. But otherwise, yeah, I mean, everything's working and seems to be a very good quality machine.